Hello, my name is Zachary James Murky, and I live on a farm. Now, you may think that is pretty easy to deal with a day-to-day basis, but I assure you, it's not. This is just a farm interview. No questions, no answers. Well, it's just there's answers, but they're just gonna be me talking. But life on the farm, it's complicated. You got your daily cows that you want to talk to. They never respond unless there's food near them, like milk or grain or hay or just. That's all you hear. Now, I'm gonna warn you guys: do not speak to a cow with ignorance, or else you will get what this video is going to assure you of.
Hello, I'm Zachary James Murky here with one of our friends. One's named Harold, one named Steak. How are you doing today? Oh, okay. That's nice to know. Steak's doing fine today. Can't wait to be a processed piece of beef. See, the words of Harold. Wrong one's Steak. This one's Steak. You? I don't know your name. Harold. I'm just gonna call him Harold. Okay.
Fear, aggravation, and certainly not what you would want it to. What you would want it to be. Now, on the other hand, living in the farm's great. You get to wake up, walk outside, think you're gonna smell some fresh air, but no, you just get cow manure. But that's set aside the fact. Let's just look at the positive, okay? Yes, I'm distraught. I am stressed. Cows, man, they're crazy. You never get. I just want to talk to them, man. These cows, especially the calves, you think they'll be your friends, but no, they just look at you like, am I gonna get milk? Can I get some milk from you? No? Okay. My job on the farm is to go from cow to cow in one house. You got six cows in one lane, 6 cows in the other. You just gotta go around. It's not like the old days where you have to grab the titties and do this. More like you gotta go put some kind of mixture onto the udder, and then you gotta go and apply a machine to it. And sometimes if you don't apply it correctly, they get aggravated with you and just kick your arm away, and it sucks. So if you ask me what and how life on the farm is for me, it's a bunch of stuff. I'm sorry for the kids that are watching the video, but I have a 19-year-old brother. He lives on the farm and he lives in college. He's flippy floppy, but this is what he thinks of the farm.
How do you like life on the farm?
Yes, that's it. That's how he thinks of the farm, and that's how he wants to think of it every day. Every day he comes home from college, and just he thinks it's that way. And it's like, what if I got my girlfriend that has her own outlook, and this is it right here.
How was life on the farm for you?
Pretty good.
What do you do on a daily up here?
Well, sometimes I go milk cows, or I just float around. I'll help anyone who asks.
But and then you got this other outlook. Yes, that's what we do, that's how we act, and that's completely fine with me. With you guys, it's probably not, but it is with me. Anyway, back to the cows. Back to waking up in the morning. It's not fun. So if you think living on a farm is easy, fun, and not complicated whatsoever, we've got another thing coming. Thank you. Zachary Murky out.